Hare Krishna. This address is to temple presidents and temple management council members, or Bhakti Vriksha leaders, or counselors, preachers, mentors, especially those who have many devotees under you or many upcoming devotees under you. That's one category. And this address is also to those who are grihasthas in different parts of the country, and they would like to have me visit their home for distributing Srimad Bhagavatam in their small either preaching centers or in their homes. So I am suggesting you here a collaboration system, which I have been doing it for the last many years. If I and you can collaborate together, we can reach dozens of sets of Srimad Bhagavatam. I'll tell you how. How can anyone convince the people to take Srimad Bhagavatam? Because people want to know, how is Srimad Bhagavatam particularly relevant in the contemporary times? Our life is full of stress and conflicts and problems and so many challenges in life. So I have just recently spoken a short clip of 6-7 minutes, one in English and one in Hindi, as you see here. I have put it in the video description to this video. If you go there, you can cut and paste and copy and keep it with you. Just as Sri Yashoda is chasing behind Krishna and trying to catch Krishna. Similarly, if anyone wants to get Krishna in their life, they can get Srimad Bhagavatam. So if they see these two videos, either in English or Hindi, I'm sure they'll be inspired to take a set of Bhagavatam. So your BV leaders or preachers, counselors, they can ask their mentees to give a phone call to the people, and before making phone call, they can send this 2 short video clips, which is about Srimad Bhagavatam, what they can get by getting Bhagavatam. And then you can tell your mentees, okay, now you have sent a WhatsApp link to whatever number of people. Just take your phone and give a phone call. And to all you can give, I can think of 3 categories of people. They are blood relatives in different parts of the country. They can also consider giving it to their neighborhood people who are living in the same housing colony. They can also consider giving it to their colleagues in their office, whom they may be knowing for many years. So first, they have to send those couple of video links I showed you to them by WhatsApp. After sending that, you can call and ask them, did you see that? Did you like the idea of taking a Bhagavatam set? That's all they have to do. These 2 steps. And then if they say, yes, I liked it, I want one, and just note their name and WhatsApp number. And there are 3 options I am showing you here. Option 1 is, in Pune and Hyderabad. In Pune, I am temple president there. In Hyderabad, I am a co-president in Hyderabad. So it's very easy for me. I am going to commute regularly, Pune and Hyderabad. I can visit the home of any grihastha couple. I mean, if they want to gather some 5 or 10 people like that, I have given here minimum 5 sets at least. If you say, Prabhu, we are ready with need for 5 sets, why 5? You can have even 50 also. But so in case you get such minimum 5 sets Bhagavatam order, you can call the number at the end. I'm going to give you a phone number. Then I am ready to visit your home and do a class and do an Arati and Kirtan, and then with a blessing note, the Srimad Bhagavatam you'll be giving out to all the people. You can do that. You can invite me to your home. This is option 1. Now in option 1, I told you, any Grihastha leader in Pune, Hyderabad can invite me to their home. In option 2, this is especially for leaders. You may be a BV leader or a teacher or a mentor or a counselor, temple president, anybody in Pune, Hyderabad, I'm saying especially, because you have a lot of people under you. So if you are placing an order from me for the Bhagavatam, then I can give you half the scores, because I am sure all of you want to have a book score submitted to, Sridhar Mayapur will be submitting who did how much score. So you don't have to do much. You just have to tell your people to make phone call to their neighborhood people, relatives, and office colleagues. After sending those 2 couple of video links, that's all your people have to do. Imagine you have 40 people with you. They do this. And each of them will come with 5 sets. So it's 200 Bhagavatam sets. And then you tell me that, Prabhu, we have a very big order. We want to have 2 or 3 programs in Pune or Hyderabad. So whichever BV leader or, somebody is organizing this under their group, I'm ready to come 2 or 3 times. I can come also distribute Bhagavatam sets. So this is also in Pune and Hyderabad, but organized by a leader. Okay, so the leader gets half the score. If you get 200 order, 200 sets, you get 100, and I take 100 score. Okay, and the third option is outside Pune and Hyderabad. For example, In Pune and Hyderabad, I've been doing. But outside Pune and Hyderabad, also people have been inviting me to Bhopal once, Jabalpur, in Latur, in a few places like that. Recently, I had gone to Jhansi recently. Many places, 15 sites, 20 sites, 30 sites, they order like that. So when I can come to any of the ISKCON temples, mm, uh, or homes also of Grihasthas. Sometimes there are no ISKCON temples in the neighborhood, but there is a preaching center or a community of people that are living together. But whatever it is, so if a leader is inviting me, if it is connected to temple, with the permission of the local temple only, I'll be coming. Without the authorities' permission, I don't come. So, and they will get half the score, temple gets half the score, and I take half the score. Only thing in that case is because I have to travel outside of Pune and Hyderabad. So all you need to do is very simple. I travel with my one assistant along with the video man. So three of us, you just have to book a train ticket. I always like traveling in sleeper coach only. I like the fresh air. So you have to just book 3 tickets for us, that's all. And organize a program either in the home or in the temple. And then I can come. Many temples are making phone call to me saying, Prabhuji, please come to our temple and give a program. But if you call me for distributing Bhagavatam sets, I can distribute Bhagavatam sets. You get half score, I get half score. And also we can have a program. And in this way, my visit to your temple will also lead to book distribution. I just don't want to come and give a class and go. I'll be very grateful to you if you give me an opportunity to reach out Bhagavatam sets to many people. So this is the third option available for you. So in order to collaboratively reach out Bhagavatam sets like this, all you need to do is this thing. Here is a WhatsApp number given here. You can call this number. He is my video man, always with me. And there is also a voicemedia.pune@gmail.com email address. You can write to me. In case your place is extremely remote and I am unable to travel, it takes too long distance and time. It can happen, isn't it? In which case, I can come on a Zoom platform. I remember one group of families, they had no ISKCON temple in the neighborhood. There were about 10, 12 of them took Bhagavatam sets. So I came on a Zoom platform. They introduced all their family members to me, and then they called me to speak a Bhagavatam class and question answers we did. A couple of hours program. I can do on Zoom platform like this for you. And by doing this, all our Acharyas and Srila Prabhupada will all be pleased very much. Because Srila Prabhupada has been, you all know very well, has been very much emphasizing on reaching out the sacred literature to as many people as possible. So you are going to earn the mercy of the entire Guru Parampara by making this couple of 2 small steps, sending this 2 video links to people in their WhatsApp, and just making a phone call and inspiring them to take Bhagavatam. And in case you are able to get good number of sets, I will be grateful to come and collaborate with you and distribute the sets. And by doing such a distribution, you are helping Krishna to reach the homes and hearts of the people. And everybody who reads it, relishes it, becomes a devotee, your community will increase, it will expand. And all those devotees who read Bhagavatam, ultimately with all their family members, they'll go back to Godhead. Let us do this wonderful service in Srila Prabhupada's mission, collaboratively. And I thank you for your valuable time. In case it happens, as I'm talking now, I'll be grateful for the opportunity to be of some service to all of you. Hare Krishna.